Hi everyone! In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll show you how to set up ConvertKit from zero so you can start collecting subscribers and sending automated emails. First, go to ConvertKit.com and sign up for a free account, or log in if you already have one. Use your work email for best results. After signing up, follow the quick setup prompts. Add your name, business name, and time zone. These details help personalize your emails and timestamps. Next, verify your sender email in Settings. Go to Profile, then Email Settings, and confirm the email address you'll send from. This improves deliverability. Now create a form to capture subscribers. Open Forms, click Create Form, choose a template, inline or modal, then customize text, fields, and button labels. In the form settings, set the success message and enable the incentive email if you're offering a free download. Upload the file or paste the download link so subscribers get it automatically. Publish the form by copying the embed code to your website or use ConvertKit's hosted landing page link. Test the live page to make sure the form works. Next, go to Sequences and create a new sequence for onboarding. Add your first email, a warm welcome, then schedule follow-up emails with delays between them. Open Automations, create a new automation with the trigger Joins a Form, choose your form, and add the action Subscribe to Sequence to start your welcome series automatically. Use tags to segment subscribers. Add a tag in the automation when someone signs up. Also, connect integrations like WordPress, Shopify, or Zapier in Settings, Integrations. Finally, test the whole flow by signing up with a test email. Confirm the incentive email, that tags apply, and sequence emails deliver on schedule. When it looks good, share your form and start promoting. And that's how you set up ConvertKit step by step, from signing up to automating your first welcome sequence. If you'd like, I can make a separate video on advanced automations or broadcast best practices. Thanks for watching.